Microsoft is making major updates to Copilot. I am Chris Menard. Let's talk about MS Word. This is with a Copilot license, to be clear. In MS Word, we now have Edit with Copilot, which used to be called Agent Mode. And we also have over in the M365 Copilot Chat, we have the word agent. I'm going to tell you right now when to use both, and then I'm going to give you a great example of the word agent. So in the desktop version or Word for the web, it doesn't matter. When you click Copilot in the ribbon, I am in Edit with Copilot right now. If you don't see it for some reason, click and here's Edit with Copilot. If for some reason you don't have this, you should have it soon. The key word here, though, is edit. So I'm not going to come here to create new content like we used to. This is where I'm going to edit. I'm going to do rewrites. I'm going to change bullets into tables. This is where I'd come to do all my edits. To create from scratch, though, I'm going to go M365 Copilot Chat. Let me pull it up. I have the M365 Copilot Chat pulled up. Over to the far left, we've always had researcher and analysts. Well, we've had them for quite a while now. But if you notice, I have an agent called Word. This is the agent mode in Word right here. Click on it, and it's going to come in here. Web and work disappeared. Describe the document you want to create. So I went from edit in the Word app to now create over in the M365 Copilot Chat. I have already created a file, but let me just show it to you real quick. My prompt is up in the very top. I told it to create an SOP for new hires. I could have been more descriptive with that prompt and said, hey, this is for the new hires. This is for HR people. This is for new hires and HR people. This is for existing employees. I could have been descriptive there. Word actually popped back and asked me two questions. One, it said, who is this for? And as I mentioned, I said, hey, this is for the new hires and the HR managers. And then it came back. It asked me, is this for just day one? Is this for the first week? Is this for the first 30 days, the first 60 days? Or do you want to go out for 90 days? I picked 90 days. So it asked me those two questions. It came back with all this reasoning complete. Just to save time, I'm not going to sit here and run through it. Copilot was nice enough to pop a message on my screen that says, hey, you can go do something else, and I'm going to continue to work on this in the background, which that was nice to know. It created 10 sections. Let's go look at this. There it is finished. I'm going to come click over here. The screen you were seeing, I received after it ran through everything. It called it New Hire Onboarding Standard Operating Procedure for your first 90 days. It's in this view only look. Over to the left is everything that it did and everything that I asked it. I'm not going to go through here again. But now you probably want to see it. So here is open in Word in the top right. It will open up in Word for the web. No big deal. You can always hit editing in the top right and open in the desktop, which I've already done. So here is what Microsoft Word Agent came up with. New hire onboarding, pre-boarding. It did heading ones, heading twos, first 90 days. It has references in here where it got its source information. I could hold down Control and click to go see this. Just to give you a quick overview before I continue scrolling, I'm going to go to the View tab, and let's open up the navigation pane and see what it did over here to the far left. I love that it did the first 30 days, then the 60 days, and then the 90 days. And all the way there in the bottom left, there's a section for a checklist. So let's just go look at the checklist real quick. I'm just going to leave this running. Click on it. Pre-boarding, I-9, W-4, direct deposit. That all sounds good. First week checklist, first 30 days, the first 60, the first 90, on and on. And then it even included every reference it had in the file in here. Let's go and just take a look at the first week. I want to point out a couple items in here. I'm going to manually fix this. Like this is something I would come in here and just manually edit. I'm going to do a page break here, Control Enter. So there is the week one breakdown. I like that it put it in a table. Milestone completion tracking. There is a chart in here. First 30 days time allocation. Didn't ask for it, but that's pretty nice. First 60 days, day 31 through 60. Anyway, I am loving what the Word Agent in Copilot did. This is just a great feature. This total document is 9 pages long, well organized. If I had to write this from scratch, it would have taken possibly days. Copilot did it in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. I appreciate your time. My online training is available. Everyone have a wonderful day. Thank you.